Good morning, children. In the Mughal Empire, that is, in this Mughal Empire, we studied in the previous class about the Babur, the founder of the dynasty, Mughal dynasty, and how the foundation of the new empire began with. So, in today's class, we will be studying the Humayun and the battles with Sheher Shah. This is the fourth chapter, that is the Mughal Empire. Coming to the Humayun is the son of Babur. So, what he had faced the difficulties in his administration and what are the battles he faced with the Sher Shah will be knowing in today's class. So, students, next comes into the picture is the Humayun, the next ruler of the Mughal dynasty. He ruled between the 1530 to 1540 CE and again in the 1555 to 1556. So, who is this Humayun? Humayun is his full name is Naziruddin Muhammad Humayun. He was the eldest sons of the Babur. Out of four, he was the eldest of the Babur. So he succeeded his father to the throne after the Babur. He was the next ruler of the Mughal Empire in 1530. But he was inherited. But when he took over his position, when he received as a ruler after the death of his father, but he didn't had the future thinking about how the empire should be ruled by me, how the administration should be, how I should take care of the administration and the military concern. All those things he didn't had any sort of advancement in thinking in regarding to the administrative of his empire. So because of this, he the ability to predict or the ability to think about what will happen to be in the future he doesn't have, and he ability to take proper judgment regard to the administrative or the take quick decision. So these made him to face several challenges during his rule. Whose rule? Humayun rule. So Humayun had to face many challenges, like Humayun has he gone to face many challenges. Growing power of the Afghans in the eastern India and being the gravest of them, despite he defeated by the Babur in that battle of Gagra, who defeated by the battle of the Gagra, this Babur. These Afghans were defeated by Babur in the battle of Gagra. The Afghans reorganized themselves in Bihar and in Bengal along with the leadership of the Sher Khan. They became a problem or threat to the supremacy of the Mughal Empire. So, as Humayun was not an able administrator and he does not have power to judge and proper rule the administration, these Afghans who had fought in the battle of Gagra with his father Babur and along with the Sher Khan, these both became threat in order for the Humayun in against the Mughal Empire. Bahadur Shah, one more, the ruler of Gujarat and the Malwa, also emerged as a formidable power. He wanted to capture the throne of the Delhi. So all these three made the Humayun to lead a challenges in ruling his administrative. One is the trouble from the Afghans and the enmity of Bahadur Shah, ruler of the Gujarat, and the hostility. One more was the his own brothers. All this made him to face several challenges in ruling his administration. Now Bahadur Shah, the ruler of Gujarat and Malwa also was interested to capture the throne of Delhi. So students, when Muhammad Humayun as the eldest four of the son of Babur, when he ascended the throne, when he became the ruler of the next ruler of after the Babur, he has to face several challenges as he was not an able administrator and able thinker and could not make the proper judgment as to the ruling of his administration. He faces several challenges, so like from the Afghans who defeated by Babur in Battle of Gagra, and also the Sher Khan and the Bengal, and the leader Sher Khan posed a threat in the Mughal Empire, and even the Bahadur Shah, the ruler of Gujarat and Malwa. By this, the most difficult task of the Humayun was to face challenge of Sher Khan, the Afghan leader in the eastern India, and the Bahadur Shah, the ruler of Gujarat and Malwa at the same time. The distance between the Gujarat and Bengal made it almost impossible. But the Humayun was not a strategist or the game planner or the proper ruler in order to face these challenges. Like against the Sher Khan, the Afghan leader in eastern India, and the Bahadur Shah, the ruler of Gujarat and the Malwa. Because of the inable capability of the Humayuns against the administration, he doesn't have a great strategies like how his Babur made certain strategies in order to extend his empire and in order to run his able administration. He always had a wrong strategies against his administration. And coming to the Humayun, who pursued the Afghans, come to realize that the Afghans under the Sher Khan, these Afghans and the Sher Khan is the most difficult challenge for me to conquer this administration. So therefore he started his military expedition. Expedition is nothing but a journey which is undertaken by a group of people with a particular f- purpose. Why this expedition was started? Because in order to avoid the Afghans and the Sher Khan's challenge, this Humayun made a military expedition in 1532 CE with a battle at Dadra, Dadrah. So, students, we can tell that Humayun was facing severely challenges from the Afghans and the Sher Khan. And for this, in order to avoid this difficulties, face this difficult challenge, he started military expedition in 1532 CE with a battle at Dadra, where the Afghan forces were defeated, and he laid siege to the Chunar fort, which is a strongholder of the Sher Khan.